In today's video, I'll show you how you can add transitions in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So here we are in DaVinci Resolve, and from here to add transition is very simple. Just simply make sure that you are in the Edit tab and then go into Effects button right here in the top left menu. Once you're here, click on this and then you will have this menu. Now in here, in this menu or pop-up, you just simply want to go here and find Toolbox. And then you should have the video transitions under that. And in here, you just basically want to make sure that you are not searching for anything or you're not using the search bar so that you'd be able to see all of the transitions available right here. So basically, you just need to find the one that you'd want. And then when you hover your mouse over them, you would now be able to see a preview automatically, as you can see on the video, on how it would look like. So this is the blur dissolve. And then you could also hover more, as you can see right there on the name. And then you'd be able to see how it would transition on this clip, even if you haven't set your playhead right here. So this is one detail that I really like about DaVinci Resolve, so I could see the transition and how it would play out. I don't need to test it right here on the clip myself because I could see the preview. So I'm just going to add this cross dissolve, for example. I'm going to drag this into here between these clips, or I could go for, this one right there. So now I have it right here. So actually for this one, I'm just going to cut this a bit, and then I'm going to go and cut this a bit also, just so that we have room for the transition to work with. So I'm gonna go and do it again, blur dissolve right here, and then I'm gonna go and put it right here in the middle. And now you'd be able to see the transition marker right there. So you would have this white outline box, so that is a transition. And then when you go here into the inspector, you'd be able to see the settings in here. Like for this one right here, so these are the options for your effect, which is the blur dissolve. And basically that's it. You can do the same thing for the others. You can put it here on the beginning of the clip, or you could also put it at the end of the clip. And then you can just edit the settings in here under the Inspector tab. So that's it on how you'd be able to add transitions in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.